to my channel, Clarissa Protocol by Clarissa. So we're going to be going on a juice cleanse. How do we prepare a juice cleanse, and why do we even do a juice cleanse? So it's very beneficial for you to get more into natural tastes and natural ingredients that you do a juice cleanse or a juice detox. It's of vegetable and fruit juices or whatever ingredients that you like. You make the juices fresh each day, and we're going to be actually doing 4 juice recipes. So guys, let's make the first health shot. This cleanse consists of 4 juice recipes and 2 shot recipes, and not alcoholic shots, but fresh vegetable and fruit juice. Shots are great for your metabolism, to have them in the morning, and it really boosts your energy and cleans your body. These are the ingredients for the shot. It's strawberries, lemon and black pepper. So this is what we're going to be having on the first day of the cleanse. This is the first shot: pepper, strawberry and lemon. Shot number 2, we need orange, we need lemon, we need some parsley, and we need some curcumin that we have here. Orange, lemon, curcumin and some parsley. This is now shot number 2. This is how shot number 2 looks like. So guys, for juice number 1, we need apples, cucumber, lemon and spinach. These are the ingredients for the juice number 1. Here we have the first juice of our juice cleanse, juice number 1. So guys, for juice number 2, the ingredients are apples, beetroot, grapes and some carrots. These are the ingredients for juice number 2: some apples, some beetroot, some grapes and some carrots. Very brave of me, because I didn't think this through, that I'm going to be cutting a really red beetroot with a white t-shirt. So guys, this is the juice number 2. So guys, for juice number 3, the ingredients are strawberries, apples and pears. These are the ingredients for juice number 3: strawberries, apples and some pears. So guys, for juice number 4, this is the last juice. We need pineapple, apples, some oranges and nectar. The ingredients for juice number 4. So guys, this is the final and 4th juice. I hope that you like my content, that you comment down below what do you think about it, like, subscribe and have a lovely day guys. Bye.